Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Cali and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, as you could probably tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing tutorials for 4 quick and simple Halloween nail designs. So if you're rushing or it's actually Halloween for you right now and you're not sure what to wear on your nails, these designs are really great last minute options. They are super simple to create, so you can totally just do these really fast. They're great for accent nails or full manicure, however you want to match them to your costume, or if you're not dressing up, if you just want to put some cute designs on your nails. So without any further ado, I'm going to leave you with some cozy fall music and let's get right into the video. I'll talk to you in a few minutes.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes, I visualize what will come and what is past. But mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know I've got nothing to lose, but my soul keeps shining. They say that I'm misguided, but I wanna make this move. I guess that you could say that I woke up with this melody in my head. Shot out of bed 'cause I got something to prove. So when I say, mama, turn the light on, understand just what I mean. When I'm asleep I will dream, and when I wake you will see that even as I lie here, thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. I realize that the world outside is just a metaphor for these eyes. And even if they out to criticize, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. I realize that I'm waking up, now my mind is flooded and I'm overrun. But even after all is said and done, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams away. I'm chasing these dreams away. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams away. I'm chasing these dreams away. I'm chasing these dreams away. I'm chasing these dreams away or asleep.
So there you have it. There are 4 quick and simple Halloween nail designs. I hope you enjoyed seeing these tutorials. Let me know in the comments which of these designs was your favorite or which one you would wear for a Halloween manicure. If you do decide to recreate any of these, then I hope you'll share on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see and share with our community. And if you want to see more nail art content from me, you can visit my website 360nails.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at 360nails for more lifestyle content, nail art content, faith, wellness, and inspiration. And if you want to join our very important Polished Person email club, you'll receive our Sunrise by 360 Nails newsletter every Monday morning. I've been really enjoying sharing that with you guys, so I hope you'll subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It's a really great way to support my channel and get this video to more polished people. So if you are celebrating today, then I hope you have a really fun and safe Halloween. And I think that's all for today, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Happy Halloween. Bye.